Okay, hi class. This is going to be a quick lesson on decoding words that have R blends. And I'm going to show you two examples. The first example is a word that's spelled F R E S C O. Now, first, we'll use our strategy of identifying the first two vowels. E is our first vowel, and the O is our second vowel. Then we will bridge those two vowels and label the letters in between. Well, the S is a consonant, the C is a consonant. And as we look at this, we see that this is a V, C, C, V word. And we know that we're going to be splitting them in between the consonants. But I want you to take a look at something right here. The SC is also a blend, and usually the rule is you can't split a blend. Even though that looks like a blend, though, it's really not acting as a blend. What's happening is, because of the rule of splitting between the consonants right here, you can see that it's really not a blend. The S is living in the first syllable, and the C is living in the second syllable. They live in separate syllables. So they're really not acting as blends at all in here. It's kind of confusing, but the more you do it, the easier it'll get. Okay, so after we do that, we take a look at the first vowel, first syllable, excuse me. And this looks like it's a closed vowel because it's closed off by the S, so we'll label it closed. And then we look at the last syllable, and we see that there is no consonant closing off the O, so we know this is an open syllable. And now we just have to read it. Fresco, fresco. And if you don't know, fresco is just a type of painting. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, T A N T R U M. Let's see if we can figure out this word. First, let's label the first two vowels. A is the vowel, U is the vowel. We'll bridge them, and then we will, oh, look at this. We have N, T, and R, three consonants, but look at this. The T and the R are actually a blend that we know. So if we think about that as one consonant, it really becomes a VCCV word. And what do we know? We know that we split it between the consonants. Now, in this case, the TR does act like a blend. We're not splitting it because we have another consonant right here. So the TR is actually acting the way it should, the tr sound. And let's take a look at the first syllable. TAN, that's a closed syllable. The last syllable is also closed. So we just have to read it. Tantrum. Tantrum. Tantrum is when you get really, really angry. And usually small children will have temper tantrums. So that's how to read the word tantrum. And that is just a quick lesson on decoding R blend words. We'll see you in the next video.